Hello and welcome to week 5. This will be the summary for week 5. And just so you know, all the grades will be updated by Monday at 11:59 p.m. And if you have any questions about your grades, please feel free to reach out to me via text or email. Either one, I check them daily. So, ask away. Then look for week 4 tutoring recordings under the announcements tab. Also look for week 5 live tutoring sessions, okay, under the announcement tab for days and times. And please just on a regular basis continually check your announcements tab because you just never know if something might pop up that you need to know. And then looking ahead, okay, we are in week 5, which means we have this week and next week left, which is week 6. And week 6 is a very important week. And I want to make sure that you guys know, okay, because I've been saying this all along that hopefully you're working ahead, okay? Because in week 6, all the assignments are due on Friday instead of Sunday because I have to have grades in on Saturday. So please make sure that you're working ahead because late assignments, I cannot grade. Okay, so please, 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 all right, since next week is week 6, turn your work in early, and at least by Friday at 11:59. Okay, because I have to have grades in on Saturday. All right. So in week 5, we're going to be going over the respiratory system, which is the journey of air in our body. Okay. Our body is like our own delivery system when it comes to air. All right. The primary structures are your lungs, your trachea, your bronchi, and your diaphragm. The primary function is to exchange oxygen and CO2 within your body and enabling cellular respiration. The 3 important steps in respiration is inhalation, which is breathing in. So you're breathing in oxygen. And then you have your actual exchanges of gas where you're bringing the oxygen into your body system and you're collecting the CO2 as the oxygen's going through and pushing up the CO2. And you have an inhalation escalate in. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe that I am you exhale. Okay? Why can I not get that out? I don't know. Okay, so you inhale and you exhale. Okay, so we're inhaling the oxygen. The oxygen's going through our system. We're pushing out the oxygen and we exhale and we get the CO2 out. Okay, so oxygen in, carbon dioxide, CO2 out. All right, and the respiratory system is involuntary. All right, so you don't even have to think about breathing because it just does it for you. Then we're looking at the digestive system, okay? And this is like a finely tuned machine, all right, that needs the fuel to run, all right? The stomach is a J-shaped organ. You have a small intestine, which is a long tube divided into 3 parts. You also have your liver, which is pretty large and divided into tubes or into lobes. I'm sorry. Then you have your gallbladder, which is a small pear-shaped organ. Your pancreas is elongated. Your large intestines are divided into 3 sections. And your rectum and your anus stores and expels feces. Then, just so that everybody knows that your stomach is a muscular organ. All right, so it's a muscle and it squeezes the food and everything through your system, okay, via the muscular organs. Then the next chapter that you're going to be going over is the urinary system. And you think of the urinary system as our own body's waste treatment plant. Okay, so its primary job is to clean out your body by removing waste products and excess substances. All right. via the urine. Okay. You have kidneys. You have two of them, and they are bean-shaped organs. You also have your ureters and your bladder. And this system's like having a built-in chemistry lab because it takes care of making sure your body's blood pressure is regulated, your pH is regulated. So it just makes sure overall that your body's in homeostasis. Okay, so your urine gets rid of a lot of things, a lot of excess, a lot of toxins, things like that. So, the one of the reasons you want to drink a ton of water is because the more you drink, the more toxins that it gets out. Okay. And it helps your body. All right. And then like I just said, the urinary system just keeps your body in check. All right. Then you have homework. You have your weekly discussion questions. Okay. You have to respond 3 times. All right. Your initial response to my questions, and then you have to respond to 2 other students. All right. Your first question or your first response to my question should be due on Wednesday. And then the other 2 responses should be due no later than Sunday. Then you have your online lab, and it covers the urinary system. So you need to draw a picture of the urinary system. You need to color. You need to label. And there's also a question that you have to ask or you have to answer. Okay, that's being asked of you. So you have to draw the urinary system, you have to color it, you have to label it, and you have to answer a question. Okay, you have to have all of those parts. And that should take you about 3 to 4 hours. Then you have your weekly assignment. All right. And it covers chapters 22, 23, 24, and 25. And you're answering a different variety of questions. Okay. And again, it should take you 3 to 4 hours to get those done. And then finally, for the week, you have a quiz. And the quiz is over chapters 22 and 25. It is 100 points. You have 20 minutes to complete it, and you have 2 attempts. And with that, the computer keeps your highest grade. All right. So that is the summary for week 6. I hope, a summary for week 5. And I hope that everybody has a good week and that you are preparing for week 6. If anybody has any questions, comments, concerns, anything at all, please make sure you email me or you text me or you do both. That would be great. Like I said, I check them daily, so you should get a pretty good turnaround time as far as a response. So everybody have a great week, and I will see you for week 6. Bye.